Outline. With the 22nd century around the corner, fiat money is pretty much getting replaced with digital currency. Cryptocurrency might still be in its infancy for some stakeholders. The future of the economic and systematic world is here. Most traders, entrepreneurs, and big tycoons have understood the worth of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, and they're getting into the game without having second thoughts. Picking the right crypto. You might be ready to access the crypto world, but it is still essential to know the type of digital coin to invest in. Crypto is known for its volatility, and one should have a clear idea of what they are getting themselves into. There are more than 6,000 cryptocurrencies in the world that are equally volatile and stable. One should spread the risk by investing in more than one crypto. It would play a workable role in strengthening the investment portfolio. Factors to consider before investing in cryptocurrency. There are multiple considerations to take before investing in cryptocurrency. Let us take this opportunity to educate the viewers regarding picking out the right crypto. Follow the subsection below to understand the fundamentals before emptying your wallet. Vision of cryptocurrency. The vision of cryptocurrency states the short-term and long-term plans for the project. One should know how long the crypto project is aiming to stay in the world. Only then can you make the right call for investing in one. A big vision signifies ambition. Before making the courageous decision, look for the vision of the cryptocurrency and the intent for the future. It will aid you in knowing if the digital coin you are going to choose becomes the real competitor in the field. Community of the crypto. The lookout for the community regarding the potential investment is always a good idea. Invest in cryptocurrency with loyal followers and a strong sense of community. The more substantial the community, the more people's belief in the project. Reddit is an excellent way to check the community and to understand the hype regarding an altcoin. Large cryptocurrency communities come up with active Reddit members that also break down the meaning of complicated terms for you. Algorithm of cryptocurrency. The algorithm of the potential investment of the cryptocurrency includes three main factors to attend to. It all comes down to the user's research and how serious he is regarding investing in the right crypto. The consensus mechanism of the crypto has to be secured and efficient. Moreover, it should offer a medium environmental impact. The next factor to consider is the source code, which should be of high quality. Third-party audits, forks, documentation, pull requests, issues and their resolutions, stars, quality, and quantity of commits must be considered in the source code. The third factor of an algorithm of cryptocurrency is the developer tool. It would help if you analyze the long-term availability of suitable developer talents. There are some considerations about the developer tool as well. For instance, the complexity of coding skills, availability of learning resources, and current availability of talents. Team of the crypto. Before making up your mind about the cryptocurrency to invest in, be sure to research the team behind the crypto coin. A good team can bring growth to the crypto, so it is mandatory to examine the team. You should analyze the team's traits, if they are ambitious, and if you do trust in their expertise. The underlying technology. A significant portion of triumph and growth of crypto relies on the underlying technology. One should have a good idea of how the cryptocurrency will perform against the potential competitors, and how the technology adopted would stand out from the crowd. The innovators and beginners in the market are expected to have a quick preview of the technology used in crypto. For instance, Ethereum offers smart contracts and Ethereum virtual machine technology. The white paper. The white paper reflects upon the purpose of the coin, technology used, how it works, and the overall vision of the crypto. Every time a new cryptocurrency is released, it brings out a white paper. The white paper informs about the professionalism and credibility of the crypto. The newbies in the industry should look out for any red flags. For instance, if the white paper is ambitious and if there are spelling mistakes in the document. Leadership of cryptocurrency. The leadership of cryptocurrency navigates the success of the coin. The leadership sets out the vision for the crypto and makes all the big decisions. It is why you should research the ins and outs of leadership by looking out for some answers. For once, Find out if they are invested in the project seriously. You should know if they have worked in other crypto projects to understand their experience. Have some clue about their reputation as a CEO. Moreover, what they are trying to achieve in the long run. Pricing history. The history of crypto and its growth is a strong factor to consider before making the hard choice. However, with cryptocurrency, the price volatility takes the whole situation in a different dimension. But knowing the price fluctuations brings the strong history of the coin and even showcases a growth pattern. While looking for the pricing history of crypto, look for their volatility nature or if the coin was resilient when the market took a big dip. You should know if the price of the coin remains at an all-time high. Be aware and vigilant. The last but not the least factor to consider is to stay vigilant in your investment portfolio. Choosing the right and stable crypto is quite a daunting task. For this very reason, investors and beginners should not take emotional decisions and be biased about the popularity of a digital coin. After you have chosen, continue research and be on the lookout for any news regarding the investments. Be aware and monitor the growth of the cryptocurrency vigilantly. Conclusion. There are multiple considerations to consider while undergoing the crypto venture. The new investors are suggested to run a background check on the history of cryptocurrency to make the right decision.